3D tutorials. Today's video I will show you how you can rigging and animating a flight. So in this case we have a small fly and I want this one to be rotated, and we have a curve which is need to be fly here. Okay, I hide it for now and just show you what you need to do. The first thing is we just parenting this object to this one, and when we have done this we're going to the channel box, go to the edit, add attribute, and we want to add two. One is for rotation by the default add, and one for speed. Okay, so now we have adding these two. The rotation is saying how much it needs to rotate, and the speed how fast it needs to be rotated. So now we're selecting our object there, and we know this direction I want. As you can see it is Z, so we just select the rotation Z, go to edit, expression, and we sync. You can just drag this one here, select it and drag it, and control while on the mouse to make it zoom in and out. So we think this one is where the flight dot rotation multiply by the flight dot speed, and just create. Okay, what we get actually, I need to of course select this one and just make a speed to be maybe 20. Okay, and now we want to rotate these things. I just go keying it, and to do this we just go to the 0 and select the rotation, key the selected, and go always down in the end, putting it up to 500. Just key selected. So now it is 500 and now it is 0. But the thing is, when the starting rotate is going to be slow and going to be faster a bit, as you can see, and it continue to be fast, I think it's going to be slow a bit also. But why I don't get the same rotation? As you can see, in the starting very slow and it's going to be continue, but sometime when you're going to continue to this, okay, it's not bad, but let's say you want to have the same rotation all the time. So what we can do is select the object, go to the Windows Animation Editor, Graph Editor. Here it is. The reason excuse me, the reason the starting is slow is because the curve, you can see how is it is starting slow and high, or speed be higher, and I think slow again. So maybe it is not those things you want. You can just select this and just say linear. What it does, it will make it even. When I play this starting from here and continue just this. So that is a tip how you can make these things. And of course, in any time you can go ahead and change the speed to be faster if you want. Make sure if you want to keying it, just put the auto key, but I don't want to keying it, so I just turn this off and maybe 55 speed, and when I play now is much faster. Let's try or run. So the next thing is we have a curve, and the curve we need actually go ahead to attribute editor. But before it, we need to select our object, shift select the curve, go to the rigging, constraint, motion path, and by default setting, tagged, and go to motion path and find the Z direction to have the right one. And when we play this, okay, it is slow but not bad. So you can see there's going to be the same, and it's going to follow the curve we have drawing for it. And if you want, you can of course go ahead, if it was to here it need to stop, so you can by motion path go ahead and change it to the value of it is this is going to be. So let me show you how we can do this. So that is the U value. You can also find it in motion path here. So as you can see, this starting from 0, and when it is end, it ending by number 1, which is 1. If you want to end it in the between, so 0.4, 0.5, and so on, you can key this if you want to. But that is just the basic how we can just rigging and animate the very small sample fly. And thanks for watching.